Here is a look at natural gas on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have pushed down, popped right off of this little area of confluence. Very nice. A little bit higher than expected. Thought we would push down to at least the 291s. Didn't quite get there, and still looking for that next test of the 288s. Could get there sooner than later. Looks like we may get a little bit of a push back up to around that 296.5 level and then see another test to the downside here. And if we end up breaking below this trend line here that I've put in place, you could see that we are going to be heading on our way back down to that 288 level once again. So far it's been a little bit stubborn, but I think that it'll continue to come into play here to the downside, especially if we get some oil retracement. I think that'll also help with the sell-off towards the downside. Now conversely, if we break to the 296.5 or through the 296.5, look for support to build and then another push back up to the 301 302 level, and then from there looking at a pretty nice move back down to test the trend line again. So could be seeing something like this, and this is just how I'm thinking. Little bit of a thrust to the upside, and then another move again to the downside back to the 288 levels. So we'll see how that all plays out. Just something that I think, kind of fits what we're seeing here. A little bit off here on the 76% move to the upside here. So we'll see if that ends up coming into play or if we just pause and then see the nice straight move down again. So it's not going to be an easy one. It's going to be a lot of volatility. Hourly time frame, let's take a look at that. And again, we are below the majors. 13 is acting as our resistance again. So RSI has me thinking that we could see, a little bit of a pop and then another drop. But if we do break out, then that's where we're basically going, is back up to the 3 to 3.2 level.